In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay for Google Workspace. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be fully equipped to manage your payment method like a pro. Whether you're new to Google Workspace or just need a refresher on managing your account billing, you've come to the right place. Let's kick things off by heading to the Google Workspace website. This is your gateway to accessing a wide array of powerful tools offered by Google. From managing emails with Gmail to holding virtual meetings via Google Meet, Google Workspace brings everything under one roof for your convenience. Once you arrive at the site, the next step is to log in using your Google account. This is the account associated with your Workspace services. Selecting the right account will ensure that you're managing the billing for the correct set of tools and services you or your team are using. After selecting your account, you will be prompted to enter your password. Make sure to enter it accurately to proceed. Following this, simply click on Next to take you deeper into your account settings. Inside, look for the square dots icon located at the top right corner of the page. This is your app's launcher, providing quick access to all the different Google services linked to your account. But our destination for now is the admin console. You'll find a direct link to the admin console right there, or you can access it by typing in its URL directly into your browser's address bar. Upon arriving at the admin console, it's time to navigate to the billing section. This is where all your billing information is stored and managed. In this area, you'll be able to see your current payment accounts and any associated billing details. Click on Payment Accounts to proceed. Here you can view all the payment methods currently tied to your Google Workspace account. To add a new payment method, find and click on View Payment Methods. This will take you to a page where all existing payment options are listed. To add a new method, click on Add Payment Method. This is a crucial step towards ensuring your access to Google Workspace is uninterrupted. Whether you're adding a credit card, debit card, or any other payment method supported in your country, this is where you'll input those details. Enter your card information accurately in the provided fields. Double check the details to ensure everything is correct. This information includes your card number, expiration date, CVV, and the name on the card. Once you've entered all the necessary information, the final step is to save your new payment method. Look for the Save button and click it to confirm the addition of your new payment method. And just like that, you've successfully navigated the process of managing your Google Workspace payment method. Remember, keeping your billing information up to date is crucial for ensuring uninterrupted access to Google Workspace's suite of tools. For any changes or updates needed down the line, just revisit the billing section in the admin console and repeat these steps. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials to make the most out of Google Workspace and other services.